Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video I will show you how you can simply add a button for your WordPress website. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in your WordPress and then just click on pages and open a page. And when I'm going to open a page here, what I'm going to do is just click plus and just search for block right here, button. Yes, this is what we want. And now let's just write here what we want to write here. I don't know, click here to download. Okay, and now, so we can change the text color. We can change the background color if you would like. And now you have option like, okay, link settings or advanced. And you want to put it here. So this is how you do it. And now this is really important what we can do. Let's say that I'm going to preview the site, how it looks like. And let's say we want to center it to the middle. So what I will do is just, I will click plus, I will add a column, right? And I will choose, I don't know, the middle one. Then I will take it and I will paste it to middle column. So this is bad, I don't like it. So what we need to do is to choose a new column. So click plus and choose the big one. Add block, button. Like that, yeah. Okay. And voila, here you got it. Yeah, and you can really play around it. So update and preview the site. Voila. And you can just center it as much as you want, honestly. You can really play around it, change the border settings, add link settings, and it's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you, and yeah, thank you. See ya and goodbye.